I'm on Raspberry Pi's official website. They have a fantastic tool called Raspberry Pi Imager. Since I'm using a Windows system, I will download the specific version for it. Once the download is complete, I will proceed by opening the installation file, which is straightforward. Before launching the application, make sure to insert an SD card into your system. Furthermore, it's recommended to run this application with administrator privileges. Now, select your SD card from the options available. You will find a list of operating systems, and for this installation, we will choose Raspberry Pi Lite OS. Although it lacks a graphical user interface, it offers faster performance. Notably, this application offers several convenient features. You can customize the hostname, username, password, and even configure a Wi-Fi network beforehand. Remember that some devices can only connect to 2.4 GHz networks, not 5 GHz ones. Furthermore, please go ahead and select your country from the drop-down menu. Be aware that scrolling through the options can be a bit tricky. Once you've chosen your country, you can proceed to set the default time zone. It's worth noting that in earlier versions, these features had to be set manually. Once you've made your selections, simply click on the right button and patiently wait for the process to complete. Afterwards, remove the SD card from your system and insert it into the Raspberry Pi. Your Raspberry Pi is now loaded with the operating system. Power up the device and allow a few minutes for it to initialize. If you have access to your router portal, you can check if the Raspberry Pi has automatically connected to Wi-Fi. However, if you don't have access, don't worry, as we have already configured a hostname during the installation. Now, let's use the Windows terminal to connect to the Raspberry Pi using SSH. You can utilize the same username, hostname, and password that we specified during the installation. Once connected to the device, try some basic commands to verify internet connectivity. You're all set and ready to go.